Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my flawless installs. I've been promising you guys an updated video and I finally found a technique that works for me. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do from start to finish. This process works for me every single time. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally going to show you guys exactly how I get my flawless installs. You guys have noticed recently all my wig installs have been amazing. Like the lace is completely laid. You can't tell me this thing is not going out of my scalp. I've been practicing how to really improve with my frontals and I think I have done an amazing job. I finally found a process that works for me and yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. It's actually very easy. I've tested and tried this process at least 6 times now, and every single wig I installed with this process came out flawlessly, as you guys can see. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn your notification bell so that you're notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so this hair is from KisslilyHair. I actually love the packaging, it's very cute, and they actually sent me 2 wigs so I could show you guys the difference between a melted hairline HD lace wig and a regular pre-plucked wig. So this is all the stuff that comes in the box. So this is the construction of the melted hairline HD lace wig. As you can see, it comes with combs, an adjustable strap, drawstring just for extra security. Now this is the hairline of the melted hairline HD lace wig. As you can see, it's nicely pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, and it's a very nice hairline from one end to the other. As you can see, it's thinner in front and gradually gets thicker as it goes to the back. It also has a pretty decent parting space, as you can see. I'm just showing you guys more of the hairline. As you can see, it looks really natural. Now I'm going to show you guys what a regular pre-plucked lace wig looks like. As you can see, it looks nothing like the one I just showed you before. This one, the hairline is much thicker. It doesn't have that gradient in front where it starts thinner and gets thicker as it goes to the back. And if you look closely, you can also see the knots on this. So the melted HD lace wig is an upgrade from a regular pre-plucked wig. With this, you still have to go in and pluck, still have to go in and customize to make it fit your scalp. I'm putting the regular pre-plucked wig on my head so you guys will see you still need to customize this, and that will take a lot of work and energy, as opposed to this one, which is the melted HD lace wig. As you can see, the difference is so clear. This one will be much easier to use. You don't have to do any customization to this at all. So now I'm about to put the wig on my head and start the process of laying this wig. So one thing I noticed is that this wig was a little small for me. I've got a medium, but I think the mediums run a bit small because I've used mediums in other companies before and I was able to manage it. My regular size is a large, but this one, this medium was a little small for me, so I really had to pull the wig forward to make it fit. I tried my best as possible to work with it. So what I do when I want to lay my wigs is that I first position them on my hairline, then I go ahead with got to be, and as you can see, I'm very generous with my got to be. I spray it, then I use a hand dryer to go over it, and while I'm going over it, I wait first until I know that it's a bit secure before I take my hand off the lace. You want to hold it down as you're spraying it so that it is secure. So right now it's a bit secure, and I'm going to take the end of my rat tail comb just to like push it up on the lace a bit so that it really melts and glues nicely to my hairline. And that's what I'm just going to do on the entire hairline. Spray my got to be, use the end of the rat tail comb to really press the got to be into the lace, then go over it with the hand dryer. You want to make sure the got to be is actually like soaking through the lace. Press it down as nicely as possible and go over it with the dryer. So that is what I'm going to do all over the hairline. And dry it down. And because this wig was a little small for me, I couldn't really lay down the other end. So I'm just going to lay down the middle like the front part and this side, so this is the only part I'm laying down. So next I'm going to take a razor. I actually found that using a razor makes it look better because it doesn't give you like a straight cut. It's kind of like jagged ends, and when the cut is a little bit crooked, it helps to hide the lace better. So I'm just using a razor to take off the excess lace. Now, as you can see, there is a white line from the edges where I cut off the excess lace with the razor. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So in order to take out that white line, what you do is that you go back with your got2b and you spray it directly on the line. Just little sprays, little sprays of the got2b. Spray directly on the line, then go over it with the hand dryer and the rat tail comb. And as you can see, that line slowly disappears and it looks more melted into my scalp. Just make sure that you're spraying it on the line, on that white line, so that it disappears and just melts in. See, it's starting to blend in better with my scalp. I'm doing the sideburn area right now. Any excess got2b spray that gets on my skin, I just use like I use a cotton ball with warm water to wipe it off. So don't worry about like the got2b getting on your skin. You can always wipe it off at the end. So now that I'm done doing that, that's basically the process for laying it. But as you can see, there's still like a white cast, and that's because the lace, no matter how good it is, it's still not the exact color of my skin. So what I do is that my process of doing makeup, I just run my makeup brush over that lace to make it match my skin tone, and that's basically it. That is basically how I lay my wigs. As you can see, as I'm running my foundation brush over the lace, it's tinting it brown and it's a better match, and it looks more seamless and blended and melted into my scalp. Just look at that. Just with that simple foundation brush, everything is set. Now I'm also putting some powder as well, just to take off any excess shine. And that's basically it. That is the process that I've been using to lay my wigs recently, and it has been giving me flawless installs. Look at that. Like, look at that. It looks absolutely flawless. That is literally all I do. It looks like it's actually growing out of my scalp. Look at the hairline. Amazing. So another thing I do is that I just like to put like little baby hairs on the side, because sometimes if you lay a wig, because our temples aren't as elevated as the rest of our head in front, it can tend to leave the lace doesn't lay as flat on the temples. So what I do is I just put some baby hairs around there just to make it blend better. You don't have to though, but it just makes it look even more natural. And that's it. That is it. That is it. Look at the lace. It is melted. So now I'm just defining the parts. I'm going to take an iron to define the parts. You guys know I always press down my wigs with an iron. Very efficient. Look at that install, guys. Like, that is just beautiful. If you don't want to do the whole foundation thing, you can also just tint your lace. They have like lace tints on the market, but I just like to use foundation because I might as well just do while I'm doing my makeup. So I'm also taking a hot comb, using it to press the front down. And yeah, that's it. That is how I do my installs. This is such a flawless install, guys. Like, look at that hairline. It looks absolutely stunning. I'm coming closer to show you guys the hairline up close, Just look at it. Look at that. Look at that. This is flawless. Look at the hairline. Absolutely beautiful. This hairline was plucked to perfection. I didn't pluck a single hair. I did not bleach a single knot. Nothing. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys the hair itself. As you can see, it's really nice. It's very full, and this is actually 180% density. It looks like a 200% density wig. And yeah, let's jump straight into the specs of the hair. As you can see, the install is flawless. Like, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. The hairline of this wig is amazing. I did not pluck any hair from the wig. I didn't bleach the knots. With this, you don't have to do any customization to the hairline at all. So if you're one of those people that doesn't like to customize wigs, plucking wigs is very irritating and very stressful. So this just saves you all that work and all that energy. You can literally just lay this directly onto your head. You don't have to do any customization at all. The most you will do is just tint the lace by putting foundation on it if you want it to match your skin tone. And that is basically it, to be honest. You guys saw the entire installation process from beginning to end. That is the process that I used to install all my wigs now. Like I said before, I really didn't have any issues with the hair quality or the hairline. The only issue I had with the wig is that it's a little too small for me. So this is a medium. But I feel like their mediums run a little small because I've tried mediums in other companies before and I was able to manage it. My perfect size is a large, so I'm very particular with wig sizes. I really need the wig to fit me as best as possible. I really had to pull it forward for it to really fit, and even then though, it still didn't fit on this side. So that is just one issue that I had, the sizing. But this will actually fit most heads. This will fit most people's heads. It's just me specifically. I need a wig that is a little bit bigger because I have a big head and I have a lot of hair. So yeah, as you can see, the hair quality is amazing. The hair density is 180% and it looks really full. It actually looks like a 200% density wig, so I like that. And it's a really nice length. It's 20 inches. See, it didn't come with any crazy split ends or anything like that, and it's full up until the ends. It flows really nicely, barely got any tangling or any shedding. So yeah, I really like this. Like I said, the only issue I had was the size, but other than that though, this wig is really nice. All the information for where you can get the hair is going to be down below in the description box. So yeah, that is all for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if the process was easy for you guys to follow. If you have any questions at all, definitely ask me and I'll try my best to answer. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other wig videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.